I think most people think you have to go to Africa or the Amazon or wherever it is to get like a nature hit.
There's this wonderful woodland that you're passing through, and there's this hope that as people move through that, you not only shed the busyness of life, but you're also prepared and enlivened for this experience of the place and the rewilding and the fields and the birds.
We're trying to work with nature, not against it. You've got, you know, the frothy, organic nature of nature, and then clean edges kind of juxtaposed against it, and that kind of contrast is a really nice design.
I love the way it carves through the laurels, and it just chimes with I think the wooden structure in amongst all of the greenery and the trees of the woodland, and the way the light dapples through sometimes and hits it, and you get the shadows of the trees and the leaves like brushing it. It's really beautiful.
We thought a lot about this idea of rewilding people and places, sort of inspired through the work that Elmore and Anselm's doing with the rewilding. And we loved this idea of being quite separated in some experience internally, where you're heightening that the disconnect, I guess, that people have with the landscape. You're observing the landscape, and because that also creates this sort of cozy environment as well. But then we wanted to really diversify that experience by creating this sort of covered outdoor space that you can move quite seamlessly into and experience the place and the weather and the seasons.
As you kind of go into the treehouse, there's like wow thing going on. You have a moment of kind of just almost like waking up to like the kind of ridiculousness of our society and the kind of stress around it. We come down here and just breathe and realise that there's some magic out there.